night at the job to plow a large paddock. I was tractor driving for weeks, and with no one did I speak. I was convinced of a God who knew nothing of who he was. Was he distant like the stars, or interested in who we are? I could think all day long, with no distractions as such. I contemplated reincarnation, different eternity stuff, but contemplating Jesus. A presence came to me, I was amazed, but excited by this. Electrically. I was convinced of a God who knew nothing of who he was. Was he distant like the stars, or interested in who we are? Electrically. New thoughts came every day, a trickle from the divine. Jesus co-created the world, existing before starting time. I now understood Jesus was God, so he could rise from the dead. Now all the stories of Jesus inside my head. Intensity of purpose again stirring, a new dimension started. Jesus in my inner being, fire of conviction, all knowing and feeling, all knowing and feeling. I am ready for standing up. Jesus in my inner being. Jesus in my inner being.